Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you a quick and easy method on how to remove a stretch belt using a rag. There is technically a special tool to remove the belt, but in this case I don't have one, so I'll be making do with what I have. This is a method you can use in order to reuse the belt. The other option is cutting the belt off completely if you are doing a replacement. Right now I have quite a few components removed in order to gain access to that belt. I have a bypass switch hooked up to the solenoid, so I can bump the engine over using the starter. If you are using the key, be extremely careful not to start the engine. You may also want to remove a fuse or relay which prevents the engine from fully starting. Another safer option would be using a Johnson bar to turn over the engine by hand at the crank. Use a rag wrapped around the belt. Pinch it on the opposite side so you can pull the belt towards you. Do not wrap the rag around your fingers or hands. Now press the bypass switch to engage the starter and slowly turn the engine over. Only press it for a second or two at a time so you don't have a full rotation. As you can see, after a partial rotation, the belt is now free and reusable. Now for the installation of the old belt. It's routed on the smaller pulley first. This particular belt runs on the AC compressor. Then try to route it as far as possible around the crank pulley. The belt must be partially on the drive pulley. Do not hold this with your fingers. Use an object such as a screwdriver, pliers, or in this case I'm using the handle of a ratchet. Now bump the engine over again and the belt should be pulled onto the pulley. The belt should be wrapped in such a way where it's in contact with the larger pulley it's being installed on into the rotation. If the belt isn't fully seated onto the ridges, give the engine a couple more rotations and it should pull the belt into place. If that doesn't work, use a larger screwdriver to help push the belt further onto the pulley while the engine is rotating. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. Leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.